Anne here from Anne Makes. Thank you very much for stopping by and welcome to my studio. For those of you who are new here and for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below the video or on the Anne Makes in the corner of the screen. Don't forget to click on that bell also so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Today I am filming dollar store hauls. I did a big shopping spree yesterday and now I am filming the third Dollarama haul video of the day. I got lots of stuff for Christmas, so please check out those other videos if you're interested in seeing what I found. I did pick up tons of snacks. I'm not showing you all the snacks because a lot of those are repeats or the little chocolate bars that I tend to buy for my family and some other things, but I will show you one snack that is new. It's not completely new, but this is something that comes out at Christmas time. It is the Viva Puffs candy cane. These are like a graham cracker with marshmallow and chocolate on top, but the center has the gooey candy cane jelly type of thing, and these are so yummy. We love these at Christmas time, so I bought a few boxes for my family, and these are $2. Now, I got some interesting stuff. I did pick up some snow drape for our village, our Christmas village. So this comes in a sheet that is the size 36 inches by 60 inches, and this is $2. It is also available in big rolls like this, which also measure 36 inches or 3 feet, but there's 8 feet total in here in length, and this is $3.50. Yeah, $3.50. So we will be using this for the setting up of our Christmas village. I also picked up some of this angel hair tinsel, 40 grams, 1.41 ounces, $1.50. I repeat, I will not be using this in my tree or any other decorating in my home because this is a great big choking hazard for cats. Don't let your cats near tinsel. They're attracted to it and they want to chew on it and swallow it, and then often it can get tangled in their system. It's not a good thing. So I'm just going to keep this safely away from Kitty, and I'm just going to try to do some experimenting in my craft room with this, with having to do with melting and stuff. I know it's possible, but the last time I tried to do it, it was a complete fail, so I'm just going to try it again. And yeah, so if it works out, I'll probably do a video or a blog post. $1.50 for this angel hair. Got some big doilies with this like multicolored snowflakes on it, and you get these are 12 inches. You get 6 pieces in here for $1.25. I have dual purposes in mind for this. Some to put on platters to serve treats, and some to use in my crafting. I saw this roll of Duramax double-sided acrylic gel tape. Reminds me of that red tape that we use in crafting. This is $3.50. Apparently it is good to use outside to hold stuff. I will be we'll see if it works here in our cold weather. I'm not sure that it will. You know, it's extremely cold here, but I just thought it would be a good thing to have in the garage for any type of repair, and maybe I could use it in some sort of crafting as well. So that just looks like a really heavy-duty adhesive. $3.50 for you get 3 meters or 9.8 feet of this, and it is 25 millimeters wide, or 0.9 of an inch, so almost an inch wide. Now, new at the Dollarama I was at is this silk rope, and it's really like a nice silky rope. There is 10 meters on here, or 32.8 feet, so it's quite a lot. And it comes in these very nice colors. I chose this like dusty rose one for $2. I get all this, not bad. I also chose one like this. It's more like I don't know, a beige ivory color. So, but they had so many different colors, but I limited myself to those two for my decorating. New at the Dollarama I was at is this Crayola Art with Edge. This time the color twist pencils. Last time I hauled the metallic markers, that store was completely out of them yesterday, but they had this. So you get a pack of 24 of these coloring pencils that don't need sharpening. You just twist them. And this was, I think, $4. So I think this is a pretty good deal. This is usually a good product. Got that. Picked up some of this ribbon for gift wrapping and crafting. So this is $1 at Dollarama. This, and on here you get 4 rolls. Each roll you get 30 feet of ribbon, or 9 meters. And you get 4 there for $1. And I got another little set of, this is a 1 unit of the 3 drawers. This is $4. I've only been able to find this at my Dollarama. I'm not at other Dollaramas. So I tried one here in my studio. It fits perfectly in the little corner that I have, so I got another one to stack on top of that, and I'll be able to store more supplies. Now, I saw these magnets, and these are only $1 as well, and there are 7 of these cute magnets. I thought the colors were really nice, and they're little magnets that say clean your room, do the laundry, feed the animals, do the dishes, take out the trash, mow the lawn, and clean the bathroom. So this is great for assigning chores to people. So, you know, obviously this is probably made somewhere they don't get snow, because I would have made one more, which would have been shovel the snow. Yeah, there's a lot of it. So I thought that was cute. I also got a package of the Glad brand holiday edition plates, disposable plates. There's 20 in here. They're $3. I do really like to buy the Glad brand. I find them superior quality. I do find that they're sturdier than some other of even the thick paper plates that Dollarama has. But you get 20 for $3. If you buy the non-Glad brand, you get, I believe you get 30 plates for the same price. So, but I really prefer to buy these. And to decorate in my house, around, you know, the sinks, the kitchen, the bathrooms, I got these bottles of Ivy and Castle hand soap. This one is supposed to be the scent of sugar cookies. These are very nice big bottles. You get 500 milliliters, or 16.9 fluid ounces. They are $3, but like I said, they are the Ivy and Castle, and they seem like, you know, these are good soaps usually. And I also got this one, vanilla coconut, Ivy and Castle, same thing. Just love the designs on the bottles. $3. And thirdly, I got an apple cinnamon, and there is Santa on the bottle. So Now, the last thing I have to show you, I was pretty excited to see this. This is completely new to me. Maybe, I don't know if anybody else has hauled this. I haven't seen it. New sticky notes at Dollarama. So I want to show you these cute sticky notes. They come in this kind of pad here, and I'll open one up so you can see. And I thought these make for some lovely gifts, for sure, stocking stuffers, etc. And see, this one is the sweet vibes. Look at that with the little cupcakes and stuff. Very, very cute. And here are all the types of little sticky notes that come with that. And there's room to write some notes. And you get a good amount of sticky notes on here. It says in total you get 400 sheets. And those of you who are interested in purchasing these, they are $2 at Dollarama. And I got one of each design that they had. They have this one with the cupcakes. They also had this one in the Just Believe in Your Dreams. They had this one, which is Happy Thoughts. And this one, which is Hello Beautiful. So thank you so very much for watching. If you like this video, I would so appreciate a thumbs up. Please like, please comment, please share. And until next time, stay crafty. Bye!